The gas powder fire extinguishing system BiZone is working on a total flooding principle. When the system sets off, the powder moves in the gas mixture, quickly and evenly filling up the volume and creating the concentration of the fire extinguishing agent necessary for fire suppression in the most difficult and hard-to-reach zones, despite any shading. In this test, the containers with burning gasoline were set at different levels in a 60 cubic meters enclosure. One of the containers was completely protected from the powder impact by a 200-liter barrel with air slots at the top. In all the tests, the fire seeds were extinguished, so it has been experimentally proven that BiZone modules can be used for total flooding fire extinguishing. This is the key difference from the powder extinguishing systems that are very sensitive to the unevenness of the powder dispersion, and especially to the shading of the fire seed. If the zone shading is over 15%, the fire extinguishing is not possible. That's the case with the powder extinguishing systems.